How to reset the password of your LG TV. So I am going to tell you about resetting a password. So for this you need to go to the menu of your TV and you need to go to the all settings options. So in all settings you need to go to the journal and you can just need to look for safety option here. Just tap on safety. At the bottom you can see reset password is showing. So just need to select reset password, and herein you need to enter your current password. Default password of LG TV is 0000 four times. The code should be of four times. I click on OK and set the new password. You can enter any new password of 4 digit and you need to confirm your new password. Just tap on OK. So now your TV's password is reset. So I hope friends now you will be able to reset the password of your LG TV. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you a reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.